You can design both your business card and logo in Canva. There's also a separate app for both logos and business cards. I'll give the link in the description below. So this is canva.com. When you enter, you'll see all the free templates, and this is for everything like YouTube, channel art, banner, business card, poster, and everything under the sun. You can find any design templates over here. That will be both paid and free. So let's now start by designing a business card. You can enter anything you want, like logo, channel art, poster, and whatever you want you can enter. There will be so many options there. So I am doing a business card now. You can start from scratch, or you can use these templates. So there are so many templates. I'll select one. So you can find all the customizations, like elements, photos, whatever you want you can customize it. You can add the text or change the text font, and everything you can do here. You can also change the icons in the element section. So like this coffee can be replaced, coffee cup can be replaced by another element. There are so many royalty free images and videos for you to use. Some images and videos will be premium one. You'll have to pay for that. So let's see what we can do with this. I'm now replacing this coffee icon with some other image. Yes, you can resize it. It's a royalty free image, so you can resize it or whatever you want you can do with it. So these are the customizations available. You can download it. You will see the download icon at the top. If it is premium, it will show you some message. So if you remove that icon, it will you'll have the link to download. Okay, then you can download it.